parts of the human digestive system and their functions. Learning outcomes. You should be able to understand the importance of digestive enzymes. Describe the main parts of a human digestive system, their functions, and how they work together to digest. And describe the process of digestion in the human digestive system. Physical and chemical processes of digestion. The human digestive system consists of a long muscular tube about 9 meters long. It extends from the mouth to the anus. The food we eat contains nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, and proteins that are made up of large molecules. These large molecules of food are too big to move across the cell membrane by diffusion. Hence, they need to be digested and broken down into smaller and soluble molecules. This takes place through a process called digestion. The small soluble digested food molecules cross the cell membrane and are absorbed into the blood. The small molecules are circulated through the body and brought to cells that need them. Digestion involves physical and chemical processes. Physical digestion involves the breaking down of food into smaller pieces. It is achieved by mechanical means such as chewing, grinding, churning, and mixing. The chemical structures of the molecules are not changed during the physical process. Physical digestion increases the surface area of the food molecules for enzymes to act on. This speeds up the chemical digestion by digestive enzymes. Chemical digestion involves the breaking down of food into smaller molecules by enzymes. The end products of chemical digestion are small food molecules with chemical structures different from the large food molecules. Role of enzymes in chemical digestion. Enzymes are biological molecules. Digestive enzymes are produced by the digestive system to speed up the breakdown of large food molecules into smaller molecules. Enzymes are specific in their action, therefore they work only on one type of substance. In the human digestive system, there are 3 main classes of enzymes. They are carbohydrases, proteases, and lipases. Carbohydrases are enzymes that speed up the digestion of carbohydrates into simple sugars. Proteases are enzymes that speed up the digestion of proteins into amino acids. Lipases are enzymes that speed up the digestion of fats or lipids into fatty acids and glycerol. The human digestive system. One organ alone cannot complete digestion on its own. All the organs must work together to complete the digestion of different types of food. The end product molecules are small and soluble so that they can be absorbed into the blood. Below summarizes how the major organs of the human digestive system help in the digestion of food. Physical digestion. The chewing action of the teeth breaks down the large food mass into smaller pieces. Chemical digestion. Carbohydrases found in the saliva begin the digestion of starch. Starch is only partially digested in the mouth. Other roles functions. The tongue mixes the food pieces with saliva. Saliva softens the food pieces for easier swallowing. Gullet. Physical digestion. Non-chemical digestion. No digestive enzymes are produced. Starch in the food pieces continues to be digested by carbohydrases in saliva as the food moves along the gullet. Other roles functions. Muscles contract and relax to push the small food pieces from the mouth to the stomach. Action of the muscles in the gullet enables food to be mixed further. Stomach. Physical digestion. The churning action of the muscular wall further breaks down the food and mixes them with gastric juices. Chemical digestion. Proteases and gastric juices are produced and released. Proteins in the food mass are partially digested by proteases. Other roles functions. Hydrochloric acid in gastric juice. Kills harmful microorganisms found in food. Provides the correct pH environment for proteases to work efficiently. A thick layer of mucus lining the stomach protects the cells from damage by hydrochloric acid and proteases present in the gastric juice. Vessels present on both ends of the stomach control the food entering and leaving the stomach. It is a muscular bag that stores food for a few hours. Small intestine. The physical digestion. Bile is the substance that breaks fats into tiny fat droplets. The breaking down of fats into tiny droplets speeds up the digestion of fats by lipases. Chemical digestion. This is the main site of chemical digestion. Carbohydrates fully digest the remaining carbohydrates to produce simple sugars. Proteases fully digest the remaining proteins into amino acids. Lipases digest fats into fatty acids and glycerol. Other roles functions. It has an alkaline environment so that the enzymes can work efficiently. Large intestine. Physical digestion. None. Chemical digestion. None. Other roles functions. The remaining water and mineral salts in the undigested food are absorbed. Rectum. Physical digestion. None. Chemical digestion. None. Other role sections. Food that is not digested and not absorbed is stored temporarily. Anus. Physical digestion. None. Chemical digestion. None. Other roles functions. Undigested food and wastes are removed from the body and discharged as feces.